William and Kimberly Jewelry is marketed as an online jewelry store offering elegant rings and luxury-inspired pieces at heavily discounted prices. But the real question is this store even real, or could it be another questionable online retailer? Now, to be fair, not every online jewelry store is a scam. Many legitimate jewelry brands operate exclusively online and can offer lower prices than traditional brick-and-mortar stores. What it does well: the website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears similar to many modern jewelry e-commerce brands. The product photos are attractive. The jewelry is presented in a way that makes the pieces look stylish and high-end, where the red flags start appearing. The discounts may be unusually aggressive. This is one of the biggest concerns. Massive markdowns are commonly used by questionable online stores to create urgency. Independent information may be limited. A lack of established reputation makes it difficult to verify product quality and customer service. Product photos do not guarantee product quality. Jewelry can look significantly different in person than it does in professionally edited images. So, is William and Kimberly Jewelry even real? Short answer: it may be a real store that processes orders, but that does not automatically mean the product's quality or customer experience will match the marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.